What's good, everyone? It's crazy how stuff works because I was just saying to myself that I want to do a transformation cut. I was even going to post up something on my social medias about trying to get someone who wants to cut their hair, and the next day this kid walks in. All right, last chance. I made sure he wanted to do it one last time, and there it is, it's gone. We just get straight to it then. I just cut off the top and I'm just going around now trimming it to even it all out. He wants to do a crop top fade, French crop top fade, whatever it's called. Show me a picture of it. Should have got a shot of it for the video, but I wasn't thinking. But it's all good. So we're just doing a French crop top fade, mid-skin fade, mid-high. Now I'm gonna comb it all forward so I can trim his bangs to about the length that he showed me in the picture of how he wants it to be. And I'm just evening it out some more. This is all a little bit rougher still. I'm gonna still go back by later on once I get the sides to where I want it to be. Now we're on the sides. I'm gonna be debulking with a metal 2 right there. And I'm just going up and out of the hair, as you can see, dipping it a little bit in the back right here. And I was just gonna continue on that side, but I didn't want him to look at himself in the mirror yet. So for now, I'm just working one side, going through with my 3-0 metal clip right there. Just doing a little bit of a dip in the back. Now I'm going through with 1A. I love that clip. I'm just setting up my next guideline where I'm gonna be going. Obviously, I got to skin it out too. I like to set my my sides and my bottoms. It's like my two extremes, how short the haircut's gonna be and how long it's gonna be. So that way I know where to work in the middle, how to just fade it up in between. Now I got my half clip on, just going up into that 1A, just up and down, open and close, just working that fade in. Now I got no clip on there, just doing the same technique. And I'm not gonna lie, I was having a little bit of difficulty with this, getting that skin fade in. I'll show you guys some more about that later. But for now, I'm just doing the clipper over comb technique, just starting to blend it into the sides right there. Blend the top of the sides into the top of the hair right there. So as you can see, I'm just going up and out right there, just pulling my hair, consistently combing my hair down to where the hair is gonna be laying. Some of the tedious work, but it's the work that you guys got to do if you want to get a clean fade. And now I see that I still got some more fading into on the top, but I'm just going right around to the side right there, so that way I can work my way, you know, a little bit forward and then just go back a little bit. It's kind of the way I do things. Everyone has their own technique, whatever works for you guys, you know. As long as the end result is something that you and your client is happy with, I mean, there's nothing really anyone can say, right? So now I'm just doing the same technique in the back right there, you see. Just going around with my clipper over comb, just starting to blend that up into the top. The thing with someone having recently long hair and cutting it off is that their hair's gonna want to tend to stick up a little bit, you know. I know from experience, I had an undercut, had a little ponytail for a while there, and after I cut it, I had little hairs that my hair was like kind of just going up, almost like spiky, and my hair doesn't do that. It lays down normally, like it lays down naturally. So after, you know, a few days after showering and stuff, the hair started to finally lay down. So keeping that in mind, I knew that I didn't want to try to cut too much, and then later on, it is gonna be spiky or just not lay the correct way. Just going through and getting all those little spots, just doing my little detail work as I work around. Trying to get it as clean as I can the first pass through, and then after that I just go back around and get any stuff I might have missed. now here we are on the other side, just continuing the same technique. Number 2, metal number 2. I love those metal clips. Highly recommend that if you guys can invest in some metal clips. Invest in a machine like that. I got the Oster Octane, High Octane. Forgot the name exactly, but that thing is great. It's powerful and just gets through the hair easily. And there's cheaper options. I mean, when I first was starting off as a barber, I got some free detachable clippers from a barber shop I was working at, and I looked them up. I didn't know, but they were dog trimmers originally. I don't think they were used on dogs. I actually can't confirm that. But it worked well for the longest time until I was able to upgrade eventually in the future to something wireless. But yeah, metal clips, they definitely save your life getting through some really thick hair. And this kid has some pretty thick hair. But I'm just doing the same technique, starting to do my clip over comb, blending the top right there. Going in with my one clip and just starting to hit all the spots that I'm noticing in the mirror. As you can see on the side right here, there's a little bit of a skin line right there still. And like I said, I seen clearly that the line wasn't fully blended in the mirror, but when I looked at it dead on, I couldn't tell. So I had to just wet the head to kind of get all like the dry, to get all the dead skin, you know, basically out of my way, so I could see more clearly what it is I was looking at. And that did help me be able to identify the skin line easier, and just start to take it out. I'm just working the back right here, and that line and that side was giving me some difficulty. And sometimes you just got to keep on working at it, you know. Don't feel pressured to finish the haircut in a certain amount of time. Obviously, you don't want to take forever, but I really recommend, especially if you're a beginning barber, just try to get that fade clean, you know. Work on speed later and stuff, but I mean, but really you want something that's going to be, you know, that the client's going to be happy with, not just a rush cut. People can go to Great Clips or, you know, one of those other places that just going to give you a quick haircut for cheap, you know. And if you're in a shop like that where, you know, the owner is kind of pressuring you just to get quicker, you know, I mean, if you're still learning, I would maybe even look into finding a different shop, a shop where it's more comfortable. But I mean, speed is definitely, you know, you want to eventually get quicker at stuff, but don't sacrifice quality basically for it. So you can see, I trimmed up the top a little bit more, and I wish I had some of that powder, that texturing powder. I only had some gel on me, so I'm ordering some more for that. That would have been better to use. And you see, I kept the front a little long on purpose, kind of like what I've seen before in photos, and he decided against that at the end, that he just wanted to keep it straight. So I just took that off, cleaned it up for him. Now hitting it up with the razor, getting behind the ears for any little long hairs I might have trying to hide back there, you know. We got our before and our after, and I'm very happy with how this came out, and so was he. He was for his 21st birthday, he wanted to do a little something different, surprise his friends at the bar that they that they were going to later that night. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Let me know what you guys think, and let me know if there's anything else you guys would want to see. Until next time, take it easy, keep on cutting, guys, and yeah, see you later.